Good morning, my dear students. I think you all are doing very well. So, in our previous class, we have discussed about the division, in which we have studied how to divide a number with two-digit number, and also the properties of division. And I also said that you have to do some exercises. So some of the students are sent the answers to me, and some of them are not sent. So I'm going to giving the answers of that exercises. So everyone have to complete those in your textbook, in your notebook, and then everyone have to send to me. Okay, so these are the questions today we are going to discuss, and also today we are going to discuss about the word problems. Okay, so here is the first question: 975 divided by 15. So here we are going to divide a number with a two-digit number. Here the dividend is 975 and the divisor is 15. So this is the homework question. I think some of the students are do this and send to me. So everyone have to do this. So here we have the question. We need to divide 975 with 15. 15 is a two-digit number. 15 is a two-digit number. So we need to know the multiples of 15. For dividing with 15, if the divisor is 15, we need to know the multiples of 15. So we need to write the multiples. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 16, 15 fives are 75. So I think we need this. Okay, now 15 6 are 9. Okay, and 15 sevens are 105. So we need to we need to write the full multiples of 15. So here in this question 97, that we are going to take the first two digit is 97. That two digit number is 97. So we need up to 6, isn't it? So students, if you want to write the full multiples up to 10, then you have to write 15 into 8 is equal to 120. 15 into 9 135, and 15 into 10 150. So it is very easy to find the multiples of 15. So here we have the multiples of 15. Now we need to check the dividend and the divisor. So first we have to know the multiple which is less than the dividend or equal to the dividend, isn't it? So the divisor is a two-digit number, so we need to take the first two digits of the dividend. So it is 97. So it is 97. So we need to know the multiples of 15, multiple of 15 which is less than 97 or equal to 97. Here we have the multiple of 15 which is less than 97, that is 90, isn't it? 90. So it is 15 into 6 is 90. So 6 is the quotient. So 6 15s are 90. 6 15s are 90. And what we will next do? We will subtract. So 9 minus 0, 7. Then the next digit brings down, that is 75. So now we need to know the dividend 75. So 15, there is a multiple of 15 which is 75. We have here, isn't it? So it 5 times 15s are 75. So 5 15 is 75. So the first question, exercise first question, answer quotient is 65 and there is no remainder. Remainder is 0. The quotient is 65. Okay students. Okay, now we are moving to the next question. The next question is Okay, the next question is 1321 divided by 11. Here the dividend is 1321 and the divisor is 11. So we need to know the multiples of 11. Okay, I am already written here multiples of 11. So now we are going to divide 1321 with the 11. Okay, so 11 is a 2-digit number, so we have to take the 2-digit. In dividend we have to take the 2 digits, so we are going to take 13. Okay, so we need to know the multiple of 11 which is less than 13 or equal to 13. So 11 into 1 is equal to 11. 11 into 2 equal to 22. So we need to take the first multiple of 11. So here we have 1 times, that means 1 11 is 11. So now what we will do next? Yes, subtract, isn't it? When we subtract 3 minus 1, 2, and this 2 brings down 22. Again 22 is a multiple, isn't it? 22 is a multiple of 11. It is very easy to find, which means 11 2 times. 11 2 times we gives it will gives 22. So here we have the quotient 2. 2 11 is 22. So when we subtract 22 from 22, answer becomes 0. What we will do next? We will brings down 1. Okay. In the previous class, I have said that if we have a dividend which is less than the divisor, what we will do? We will put 0 in the quotient. So 1 is the dividend which is less than 11. So what we will do? We will put 0 here, isn't it? So here we have the quotient 120 and there we have the remainder what? Remainder 1. So this is the answer for the second question. Okay, next problem, 784 divided by 14. 784 divided by 14. So here divisor is 14. Then we need to know the multiples of 14. It will help to divide the number. So now we are going to divide the number 784 and divisor is 14. So 14 is a 2-digit number. So we need to take the 2-digit in the dividend. So we have to take 78. Okay. So 78. So 14. Now we need to know the multiple of 14 which is less than 78 or equal to 78. So look at here 70. So we need to take 5 times 14 becomes 70, isn't it? So the answer 5 is in quotients. 5 14s are 70. 5 14s are 70. Now we will subtract 8 minus 0, 8, and then 4 brings down 84. Now we need to know the 40. We need to know the 84 is a multiple of 40. Is a multiple of 40? 84 is a multiple of 40? Is 84 is a multiple of 40? Look at the table. Yes, 84 is the multiple of 14. So when 14 is 6 times, it becomes 84. So in quotient, answer is 6. 6 14s are 84 and then remainder becomes 0. So here we have the answer. Quotient, we have the answer, which means quotient is 56 and the remainder is 0. Okay students, so this is the third question. Okay, this is the third question. Now we are moving to, there are 3 more problems in your textbook. Some students sent the answers. Those are not did that thing. Everyone didn't do that thing. So those students, please send me the answers. Okay, now we are moving to the word problems. This is very important in this class. Okay students, now I am moving to the word problems. Okay. Okay, my dear students, here we have the word problem. First question is, come on everyone, please read the questions carefully and more. Question is, if rupees 2000 is distributed equally, is distributed equally between 16 people. 16 people. How much does each person get? So we have 2000 rupees in hand. There are 16 people. There are 16 people. We need to distribute this 2000 rupees equally to 16 people. Okay, we have to distribute this amount equally to the 16 people. So what we will do? Yes, we will divide the amount with the number of peoples. We will divide the total amount with the number of people. So we need to write the steps first. So first step, total amount. So total amount. So what is the total amount we have? Total amount is 2000. So 2000 rupees. Okay, 2000 rupees. Next step, how many peoples are there? 16 people. So number of people. Number of people. How many people? 16 people. Okay, now here we have the dividend is total amount, which is the dividend, and number is the divisor. So we have 2000, which is the dividend, and also number of people, that is 16. 16 is what? Divisor. So we need to divide 2000 with the 16. We need to divide 2000 with the 16. So we are going to divide 2000 with the 16. So 16 is the divisor. 16 is a divisor. So we need to know the multiples of 16. We need to know the multiples of 16. So I am going to write multiples of 16 here. 16 into 1 equal to 16. 16 into 2 equal to 32. 16 into 3 equal to 48. Look at here. Look at here. Here we have the first digit, first two digits is 2 and 0. The number is 20. So which is equal to, or which is nearly equal to the first multiple of 16. So I think we need this. I think we need the first three multiples of 48 for this problem. Let us write two more multiples. 16 into 4. 16 into 5. 16 into 4 is 64. And 16 into 5 is 80. Okay, let's stop here. And now we need to divide the number. So first we take the first two digits, that is 20. So in 20, how many 16s? Only 116. That means we need to know the we need to know the multiple of 16, which is less than 20 or equal to 20. So less than 20 is 16, isn't it? 16. Equal to 20, there is no number. So which means 1 times. So 116 is 16. So we need to subtract 20 minus 16. So 0 minus 16, 6 is not possible. So we will borrow 1 from here. Then it becomes 10. And this 2 becomes 1. Okay, this 0 becomes 10 and this 2 becomes 1. So 10 minus 6 is what? 4, isn't it? So 4, and we will bring 0 down. 40. Okay. Now we need to know the multiples of 16, which is less than 40. Here we have the number. Here we have the number, that is 2 times, it becomes 32. Okay. 32. Okay. So now going to subtract the number, it becomes 8, that is 80. That is 80. So my dear students, there is no place, so I am going to do it here. So please cooperate. So 80 is the number. 80 is the, when we subtract 40 from 32, we have the answer 8, and we will bring this, we will bring the 0. We will bring 0 from here, so it becomes number 80. So look at here. 80 is here. is a multiple of 16. When 16 is multiple with 5, it becomes 80. So we have 5 in the quotient. So 5 16s is 80 and there is no remainder 0. There is no remainder, which means remainder is 0. Okay. So here 2000 rupees is distributed equally between 16 peoples. Then each one get 125 rupees. 125 rupees. There is 2000 rupees in our hand. We are going to divide this rupees to equally to 16 peoples. Okay. That means each person get 125 rupees. Okay. You have to divide 2000 with 16. Okay. So the answer is 125. That is 125 rupees is every person get in this problem. Okay, students. So this is the first word problem. I think everyone get it. So now we are moving to the next problem.